Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do 2 different pull-through braids. They're super easy and quick and they stay throughout a whole day, so keep watching to learn how.
I'm Grace.
I'm Josie. Thank y'all so much for watching.
We are Effortless Beauty.
A lot of you have been asking for a little bit more of a budget-friendly product, so this is at a lower price point, but still a good product. So the first step is going to be dry shampoo because my hair is super dirty and we gotta start with dry shampoo. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a small section and spray a little and then rub it into my roots. And then do that a couple times. The other side. And then right in the crown, because that's where it's the worst for me. And then I'm just gonna comb through it a little bit. Make sure I got it all in there by either brushing or combing through your hair. And then I'm just gonna part on the side and get started. The first braid I'm gonna be showing you is a side braid. So you're gonna start with a side part, obviously, and then you're gonna take a small section. It's about 2 inches on each side. And then you're just going to secure it with an elastic. And then I like to just tighten it and then loosen it up a little bit to give me some more body. So I'm just gonna get the one on either side, making sure to not tuck the previous band with it, but let it just drop through in between. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing. So I normally like to just pull a little bit to loosen it up all the way through. And then I personally normally wear it with a hat. Like, I normally wear like a wide brim hat, or you can pretty much wear any hat with it, but I think it makes it look cuter because it just makes your braid pop right on the side. Using little rubber bands is a great way to make your hair look more thick and luscious if you have fine or thin hair, because it creates a lot more volume. So a quick tip for taking out the bands is there's 3 different ways you can do it. You can use a seam ripper, scissors, or a curling iron or any hot tool, and you just touch it right to the band and it pops right out. For the next braid, you're just going to start gathering a section around the crown of your head. And you're just going to secure it with an elastic. And then make sure you are keeping it loose enough so that you can just create a small hole above the band to flip it through, making a little topsy-tail twist, and then loosening that up. And the next one, you're just taking the 2 sections on each side underneath, making sure not to get this one in it, but letting it drop through in between. And then twist it through. creating another tossy tail and then loosening it up a little bit. And then you're just going to do the same steps all the way down. The next step is just to loosen everything up by pulling small pieces throughout the braid, just to make it look more full. So you just loosen it all up, and then I always like to pull just a couple pieces down around my face to make it look more messy, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any requests.